You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. A bit confusing word in English, but very useful to know. So let's break down how it is to be said. It means in the middle of or amid. Let's break it down. Both British and American pronunciations are similar, although there are going to be two slight variations. Amidst, so it's a schwa sound. Some pronounce it a bit more as e, which is fine too. Amidst or amidst, amid, and then st. So you have dst, tst, tst, amidst, amidst is how you pronounce it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.